gonna make you one of my favorite salmon recipe. It's oven baked, very easy to make, full of colors, spices, and throughout the video you will see lots of secret ingredients that will make it amazing. Let's go! Let's prepare our ingredients. So I have here almost 600 grams of cherry tomatoes. Choose the colorful ones if you can get them in your grocery store. Cut them in half like so. Prepare medium-sized onion, red onion if possible, otherwise any onion would work. I roughly sliced my onions like so. Add all your ingredients in one bowl. I use a bunch of parsley, finely chopped. After you finish finely chopping it, add it to the same bowl so later on we can mix it all together. Leave a little bit of parsley on the side for later, which you will find out later what I'm going to use it for. Add a splash of olive oil on your bowl. Salt and pepper to taste. And then mix it all together. Squeeze half a lemon in your mix. To be honest, this can be a nice salad as well for another time. But now let's continue. After you mix it, put it aside and then finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Now we're ready to make our special sauce. Your chopped garlic, Italian seasoning, chili flakes, which makes it very spicy and very nice. Extra garlic powder for taste. And the chopped parsley, the one that you left a little bit earlier. Mix all together. Add some honey, 3 teaspoons of honey would do. Soya sauce, 2 to 3 teaspoons. I use 2 teaspoons on this one. Olive oil, and then mix. This is your sauce that you're gonna use to marinate your salmon. Squeeze half a lemon. Mix again. Let's prepare our lemon. Slice one lemon like so. You will see where I'm going to use it in a bit. Let's pour our mix in the salmon. It is looking beautiful already. Let's add our cherry tomato mix with our onions. Distribute your mix in each side evenly. It's looking so beautiful already. It's so colorful. Now let's add our sliced lemon on top of the salmon, like so. Look how beautiful it looks. It's already picture perfect. So now at this time, make sure you preheat your oven 220 degrees Celsius in your preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. But in the meantime, make sure you check the date. My salmon is finished. Look how beautiful it looks. Guys, I cannot tell you. It smells fantastic.